how to change your phone number on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your phone number on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on your profile. Now you're gonna find settings. Click on it. In here, click on account and security. You're gonna find change phone number. Click on it and enter the new phone number you want, and they're gonna send you a code, and you should enter the code to change your phone number on your Amo app easy and quick, just like you do with the other application on your phone like Instagram, WhatsApp, and whatever. Now, and this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.